But
good
moving
point.
on, guys. Let's move on to the West and let's address the elephant in the room. Are Lakers too old to win a title?
Not in my
nahi,
opinion.
No,
no, yeah.
Quite
They're not
possible,
too
I
old.
think.
I will say
LeBron,
that
we
I
believe.
do.
that
I do have a. I feel that they are aging. So injuries
Ah,
is very
Yeah.
possible.
Hey, dude, what I feel is,
ये जवाब मत दे. Are they too old to win a
Yeah.
title?
nahi,
yes.
yaar.
See,
Nahi, actually, I'll tell you what will happen. Like, this is my
But
analysis.
even though they are, carry on.
The four guys, Westbrook, AD, LeBron, and Carmelo Anthony.
Yeah.
These guys will not play a lot of games together during the regular season. इनको just वो लोग खिलाएंगे. They'll make them in moment. They'll keep them in momentum because they are built for postseason. So yeah, injuries can any day play a huge part. But I think Lakers, I wouldn't say they are too old. I would say they are too experienced to win the league.
Yeah, exactly. Especially
I
with
think they
Westbrook
can
now.
win the
too
league. It's
experienced.
not.
What is too experienced?
They are
No,
way too
experience is
experienced.
never enough, is what I'm trying to say. You can put it lightly, but again, it come back. Are they too old?
I don't
Too
think so.
experience is never bad.
I
मेरे
think
हिसाब
they'll
से तो
win
कर
this year,
लेंगे.
bro. I think they're going to win it.
हाँ हाँ मेरे को यार प्रॉब्लम ये है कि they pride a lot on their defense or because of the team they have now and couple of pieces they have let go. वो लोग को defensive,
हाँ.
वो aspect is
उन लोगों
what
ने
I'm saying.
बड़ी हिट साइन नहीं किया ना अब तक. नहीं किया
Malik
ना.
Monk.
भाई
Malik
उसको
Monk
भी तो
को
recently
recognize.
set किया है. Just
उन लोगों का चल रहा था ना. But
मेरा ये है कि I mean Lakers are really really good, but like if Ashwit said, if they need to play a lot of minutes in the regular season as
Yeah.
well for them to move on
Yeah.
because वो लोग को spacing का बहुत ये करना पड़ेगा. Westbrook wants
Uh,
the ball in hand, LeBron wants the ball in
Yeah.
hand. Anthony
but
Davis
that's
says
what I
rebound
think
करके नहीं
that
चलेगा.
mentality should be. मतलब ऐसा सोचना नहीं चाहिए कि अभी Westbrook is playing under LeBron, so it's not like कि उसको भी बॉल चाहिए. मेरे को नहीं लगता it's going to happen this
Yeah.
season. Like
Yeah,
उसको
मेरे को भी नहीं
because
लगता.
I feel LeBron is a very 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 experienced player than any other player, and even Westbrook knows it. Every single NBA player knows.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So I think that issue is not going to come up. But,
Yeah.
No, it's
The only thing
definitely.
that can
issue is
stop
the
Lakers
issue
are
is not
injuries.
Yeah.
it's not about the ball hogging per se. I am saying to make an and Russell Westbrook needs the ball to make an impact. LeBron needs the ball to orchestrate everything, get into his spaces and then make the thing. Anthony Davis is not gonna just rebound the ball for you
Yeah.
on both ends of the floor. So समझ रहे? All these players are brilliant players, but all these players off the ball, I'm not a lot of off the ball impact. भागेगा नहीं, the screening part like a Steph Curry or per se. वो 4 राउंड भागेगा एक बार बॉल लेके शूट करने के लिए. This game he'll move out,
Yeah.
move in, अंदर जाएगा, बाहर आएगा, डबल स्क्रीन लेगा,
Yeah.
ड्रेमॉन्ड ग्रीन के पीछे भागेगा, जिधर भी ड्रेमॉन्ड स्क्रीन बोलेगा और बॉल ले लेगा. And he works a lot off the ball as well. I'm not saying these people can't work, but these people traditionally have like the ball with them doing stuff what they do.
Yeah, that
Those
is
are the only
actually
two
true.
concerns.
Yeah, that is true. But तुम लोग का ये इसके बारे में क्या कहना है यार? रोंडो भाई वो तो लेकर्स क्लिपर्स के बीच में ऑसिलेट कर रहा है वो. I think he's back with the Lakers now this year, Rondo.
Yeah.
Back with the Lakers this year. So I think Rondo is also a good addition because Lakers का मैं वही squad देख रहा था अभी. They have built up decent. Like they have Anthony Davis, they have Dwight Howard, Kendrick Nunn, DeAndre Jordan. So
DeAndre
they
Jordan
have
भी आ
really-
गया लेकिन.
हाँ,
They signed
DeAndre
DeAndre
Jordan
Jordan.
को भी, yes.
Yeah.
they have even Trevor Ariza, who's again a good shooter. So I think
he's old.
the whole squad is
अब
okay. They have
2015
DeAndre Jordan.
से पहले अपने peak देख चुके हैं. Apart from LeBron, हर किसी का peak pre 2016 season है.
But yeah, last season when you saw that LeBron got injured, so Lakers slipped from the top 4 position and they went down. and
Yeah,
then
they
he
didn't
came
qualify.
back, and Anthony Davis got injured. So I think this time, if LeBron gets injured, I think they have a leader in Westbrook, they have a leader in Carmelo Anthony. So injuries might stop them, but also अगर एक main player injure हुआ, then it's important for other main players to step up for the
yeah,
Lakers.
उनका bench strength भी अच्छा
वो
है.
एक एडवांटेज आया है कि
Yeah.
yeah, if anybody अगर LeBron sits out few games, there Westbrook is there to take control of the team.
But I ideally feel Lakers should be going with Westbrook as their first option for the full complete league season, because I think he's in a much better position than LeBron to.
नहीं
70 games.
but I think shooting guard तो वही होगा, और कौन होगा? There is
वो भी I think Wayne Ellington है.
हाँ, I
think what Kunal meant was he's your go-to guy. He's your leader.
Yeah.
That's what
okay,
you're trying
leader
to
type.
say.
Yeah,
इसलिए मैं
definitely.
मारूंगा तेरे को, समझ रहा है कुणाल, कभी मिलेगा तो.
क्यों?
हाँ,
They also
ये
have
क्या
Caldwell
बात हुई
Pope,
यार,
right?
लेब्रॉन के होते हुए.
नहीं, but playoffs में LeBron is your guy, but to avoid just what happened last year, they should rather.
I think
have
isn't that
Westbrook.
very difficult and tricky कि तू समझ रहा है कि लेब्रॉन तू रुक, तू प्लेऑफ में मचा, तब तक अपन, you know,
But
I
all
don't
LeBron
think it
fans have
is.
been saying all their life कि playoff LeBron. So perfect scenario for him to do his thing.
A perfect scenario, yes, but I'm saying it's. I said nahi. I don't think it might be working like that. Is what I'm trying to say. समझ रहा है कि तू प्लेऑफ, तू रेगुलर सीजन में चिल कर, हम लोग
नहीं,
संभाल
chill कर.
लेंगे.
I didn't.
नहीं
No.
होगा.
I didn't mean that. But it's just कि he should
Just
be your guy
allow.
with the most minutes, and
अच्छा.
during the.
I hope he's not the guy with the most minutes for the Lakers. I just hope they don't do that.
नहीं, but
Another.
it's a possibility also, yeah, because Westbrook is what 4 years younger than LeBron, and okay, LeBron is the best leader in NBA, but you cannot question Westbrook for his leadership and passion. So what Kunal is saying is actually can be a possibility, even though I personally think that उसका होने का chance तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है because कौन सा भी franchise वो तो नहीं करेगा, but it seems logical if you just think from preserving LeBron for the playoff, because LeBron का क्या यार 19वां season है, and I think last season was the first time since 2011 that he was not in the final.
Yeah.
So the amount of playoff minutes he has on his back, how big a exception LeBron is, he's still at the end of the day वो wear and tear body का तो होता ही है. He's I think 37-38 अभी LeBron, if I'm not wrong, 35-36 तो होगा ही going into his 18th or 19th season. So I think what Kunal said is something to just think upon. Ki, yeah, it can make sense if.
And I don't think Westbrook is as injury prone as well. He's hardly missed any games.
I was talking about this.
Westbrook had a record, yeah. I think he went to
most games without missing.
Most games without missing. Because तीन चार साल खेला वो without missing games. I think from 2011 to 2014 ऐसा कुछ. He had a great Iron Man streak. So yeah.
Last season though late भी start हुआ था season, so games were comparatively they were sooner than the next game. Correct. तो इतना recovery time भी नहीं मिला था. Remember even LeBron was against the All-Star game क्योंकि they weren't getting enough rest. So I don't think
बहुत vocal भी था वो playoffs में when people were getting injured. बहुत ज़्यादा vocal भी था उस केस के बारे में.
Yeah.
और एक player पे आते चलो LeBron. We can talk about LeBron all day, guys, and I can defend LeBron all day.
Devin.
Aishu knows it, but another player, another superstar. I think probably the second best, not the second, chalo third best player in the West. I think is Luka Doncic.
MVP this season.
MVP this season straight away. I like that. I like that. Anyone else?
MVP this season.
No, not Luka for MVP this season. Luka is a superstar, no doubt. Well, I don't know. I'm a Devin Booker fan, bro. When it comes for
Same.
So yeah, but Luka is magic, bro.
That's true.
Bro, second year में इतना करना, third year में सब it's unbelievable.
Magic है वो, magic बंदा है वो. Like Luka का, I think if somebody has to show basketball form where they can watch Luka,
Fundamentals.
Fundamentally strong form, and that jump shot or free throw ka, He's just a delight to watch. Yeah, such a and
continue, Ashish, continue.
Yeah, Luka though I expect definitely big things from him, and especially Jason Kidd now that he's also there as the Mavs head coach. But the only thing is we have to see how does the Porzingis and Luka ka, there have been rumors
कैसे bond हुआ, yes.
That उनका थोड़ा चल रहा है गिच्ची, that these guys don't get along that
Even
well.
last mid-season Dallas had this entire front office change, the longest GM in the NBA history. I forgot his name, but वो Dallas का ही था, and he left Dallas after the Doncic fight ऐसे जो हुई थी उसके साथ.
Yeah.
And then after that, Rick Carlisle left, and then Jason Kidd came back. And now I think that he would help players like Porzingis who had a pretty bad season. So this season, hopefully, Porzingis and Doncic का काफी अच्छा होगा combination.
But last season, I don't think Porzingis का इतना भी bad था. He was averaging 20 a game.
In the regular season, not in the playoffs.
Yeah, in the regular season. In the regular season.
Playoffs, he was trash. He was really bad.
Yeah. Playoffs though he was trash. Yeah, absolutely.
So saying कि लुका का एक बड़ा जंप देख वैशु तो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है कि चल yes like you said first 2-3 seasons we haven't seen anyone do what Luka do. Let's put it
I know what you're
और
trying
एक
to ask.
जंप देख रहे तू कि वापस
मेरे को वो एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क लग रहा है अभी, क्योंकि वेस्ट बहुत टफ है. तेरे को अगर बड़ा जंप चाहिए तो you need to have some elite players around.
Yeah, no, not the artillery,
team,
just Luka,
but you're talking about individual. अच्छा,
yeah, okay. Luka just taking it. देख
वो तो 100%
अभी तक समझ रहा ही नहीं है.
No doubt. Every year.
100% मैं बोल रहा हूँ third season से much better number.
हाँ, any day.
वो फिर वो MVP है भाई. If he can put better numbers than what he has put in his first 3 years.
He averaged 40 points in the playoffs.
MVP तो होना ही चाहिए.
Against Clippers.
है ना?
Let's see.
If that is, then I see Luka being the MVP, guys.
Because he is the leader of the team. वो एक अकेला player है. उसको he'll have the ball with him most of the time.
Yeah,
so I think a lot of
Joel Embiid, मतलब हम लोग अभी वेस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, but MVP का आया because Joel Embiid last season, if he would have played all the games or more games, he could have been the MVP because वो उतना खेला नहीं. They gave it to Jokic. But yeah, Luka ka no doubt, yeah, he would definitely be in the MVP race. I'll be the most happy if he wins the MVP. But I don't want to get my hopes too high.
Since you mentioned Jokic, we don't even remember it's not there in our head that Jokic is actually the MVP. He was the MVP.
Yeah. But Jamal Murray is back, so Denver Nuggets can definitely make some noise because last year Jamal Murray नहीं था ना.
हाँ, लेकिन अभी वेस्ट में कौन है भाई?
अरे वेस्ट का तो jam packed है भाई. It is packed. It is. And we have also not spoken about my favorite player returning, Klay Thompson to Golden State after 2 seasons off.
I saw his practice video. He shot 10 continuous threes back to back from the corner, his favorite position. But I don't think match fitness he would be that sharp again so soon. So Curry would still have a lot of.
See, but the advantage of Klay Thompson, Klay Thompson is a catch and throw shooter. Yeah. Like if you remember that record 14 threes, he dribbled the ball 9 or 10 times. So उसको मिलते ही वो shoot कर सकता है. So match fitness for the Klay Thompson play style, according to me, doesn't matter so much. That it will matter for somebody like a LeBron or a Russell Westbrook, because these guys dominate physically. Klay Thompson अपना space ढूंढता है, ball मिलता है, shoot कर देता है. So I think
but he has to be in those positions also,
right? Yeah. Klay Thompson.
He has to be in those positions. He has to fight over screens. He has to move around players.
Absolutely,
so
absolutely.
Fitness is required.
Yeah. So
Warriors तो
I expect
obviously
from
contenders.
Klay Thompson this season.
Contenders for Western Conference Finals.
Perfect. Yeah, absolutely. मेरे हिसाब से भी भाई Warriors are contenders.
Because they're really quick.
Yeah, and they even signed up this guy last season के draft में. I just forgot his name.
Wiseman.
The center.
Yeah.
James.
Oh, he's been traded, I think.
No.
I'm saying
Wiseman, na?
for me, Golden State are
James
bigger
Wiseman,
favorites.
yeah.
क्या
Bigger
क्या बोल
favorites
रहा
than Lakers for me are Golden State Warriors.
yeah definitely
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Steph Curry probably
100.
had the season of his life.
No.
जो last part
and
में
that
वो
too
जो
with the
किया
worst
last
team
That too with the worst team he had. Clay Thompson coming back with the system they play with a team जो मतलब 8-10 साल से एक core maintain करके आ रही है.
And हाँ भाई, they even got Iguodala back. So basically they have the 2015
he's
core
not going
back.
to make a big difference.
Iguodala too old, man.
Iguodala
Don't,
gaya.
he's not
old.
even in the this thing, man.
I don't know, yaar. I for some reason like Iguodala is also
Iguodala's best moment is he controlled LeBron. He made sure LeBron
Yeah.
just scored 35 points.
big match player, hai, bro.
That's the
Iguodala,
biggest
Yeah,
achievement.
Finals MVP.
he's a big match
That's right.
player. So I'm sure Andre Iguodala will have his one or two moments in a big match. कभी ना कभी तो एक playoff में बचा लेगा. He will know. He'll come through.
मेन अभी उन लोग को बेंच स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहा है वॉरियर्स
Yeah.
वो लोग के टाइम में when they were performing like they were winning and they were the champions at that time they had a really strong bench even with KD.
नहीं यार,
लोग
the
का
time
bench
they
बहुत
signed
अच्छा
KD, no, they sacrificed all that a little यार. तेरे easy leaves, तेरे ये लोग सब, तू समझ रहे KD trade के बाद गया था. Once
अरे
KD
हाँ
went, very average bench.
yeah right,
It was
you're
at
right,
15
actually.
season and at 16,
they also
17,
sold
18,
Harrison
9
Barnes
season.
everyone
73
Andrew
and
Bogut
9 seasons था
yeah,
जिधर
yeah.
it
पूरा
was,
their bench was really good right
it was insane.
अभी
It was
Golden State का
insane.
bench तो कुछ भी नहीं है. I'm just looking at the squad. Like no, not even like recognizable names. Like I don't know if Gary Payton too. I didn't even know Gary Payton too start भी कर रही है.
Gary Payton son.
Yeah. So yeah.
I would West में then
Guys.
if you're talking about the West, so
Sorry.
the fun guy Clippers. उसकी बात
Kawhi.
नहीं किसी ने.
Clippers
एक
Yeah.
सेकंड
तो
ना
शशांक
शशांक
has to
बोल
say
रहा था, शशांक
Look,
बोल.
bhai, look, you have to finish within 10 minutes.
Yes,
हाँ.
yes.
okay.
Copy it.
Cool.
I will quickly talk about Clippers. You have your predictions ready, Ashwin?
Yep.
Ashwin will give out his predictions. We'll give our opinions.
Yep.
ठीक है, 3, 2, 1 go. यहाँ
नहीं.
Clippers प्रणव बोल रहा था.
मेरा prediction वेस्ट का भी ना थोड़ा वो है. I don't have Clippers making top 8.
ठीक है, बात करेंगे
बात
उसके बारे में. मजा आएगा. But coming to Clippers, Khatri.
Yeah, I think Kawhi and a lot of people made fun of Paul George for his last season, regular season, but you saw how he stepped up in the playoffs.
Absolutely, bro.
But is that enough? Is what my question.
But when is
Yeah.
when is Kawhi expected to be back? I mean, that is the reason my predictions are slightly wild. Because मैं तो
I
लगा कि वो
don't-
आधा season 3/4 season नहीं रहेगा. I'm going
मेरे को भी लग रहा है
because
उसका ACL severe
Yeah.
injury था ना
yeah.
so I don't think he'll return even mid season.
And I think the only sizable addition they have made is Eric Bledsoe, if I'm not wrong. उसके अलावा what is the
He's
other?
also, I think, he'll start from the bench. Reggie Jackson, उनके पास they have even a good 3-point shooter in Batum.
Yeah,
I think
Reggie
they need
Jackson.
some-
Yeah.
But Clippers, they don't have a good big man. Zubac, I don't think he's good enough.
I don't.
For a team
he's
like
not as
Clippers.
good.
So yeah, that is the reason मेरा Clippers का थोड़ा doubt था.
But the Clippers team is broken, bro. Now. Like it's completely gone. I don't think so. They have a chance at all.
Yeah, and
Kunal
unless
क्या
and
बोलता है?
And
I
this
don't
season,
think-
I'm talking even with Kawhi Leonard,
Hmm.
their chances are really low to reach the
कुणाल क्या
finals.
बोलता है? Like Clippers.
I think the problem with Clippers, I think they're cursed, bro. So I really don't think it's good.
मैं मेरा भी वही opinion है. They have to change from Staples Center first. उनका किस्मत बदलने के लिए.
मतलब वो लोग
Okay,
full
coming
strength squad भी
Ashwin.
गया playoffs तक तो पक्का Paul George will do the pandemic वाला scene again and he won't perform or something like that. will happen.
Pandemic P.
Playoff P. Pandemic P. वही just a small joke here.
But उसको तो मानना पड़ेगा.
Charles Barkley, no.
Hmm.
वो बोलता है कि Paul George calls himself playoff P and doesn't perform. Do you see me walking around calling myself championship Chuck?
Coming to Ashwij, can you give us your predictions for the top 8?
Yeah, so
From the
I've
Western
made just one last minute change because after the discussion that we had. So my top 8 are Lakers, Utah Jazz, Denver Nuggets, Mavs, Phoenix Suns, Golden State, Minnesota Timberwolves, and Clippers.
You added them in the end. But मेरे को वापस तेरा number 6 से problem है यार. Golden State at 6. Golden
Oh, this
State
I'm
at
not
6.
ranking. This I'm not ranking as it was
Okay, fine.
I think for me,
So you
more
think
surprising is
Timberwolves are going to
Timberwolves
make it?
making the playoffs.
What,
I
bro?
think Portland will take that spot.
Timberwolves.
Yeah. Bhai, do you know Timberwolves ka head of basketball operations an Indian by the name Sachin Gupta? He was the one who made the D'Angelo Russell and all those trades. भाई मेरे को ये recently पता चला भाई.
और वो अपना Sacramento Kings एक दो
Sacramento Kings वाला दो
अटक चुके हैं वो लोग उधर.
But don't you think
Western
Cat should
Conference, any surprises quickly? Could surprise
Western
something which you will shock. Do anyone have something which can shock us?
Pelicans.
Western में Pelicans.
I think
Pelicans is a very good team.
Yeah, Pelicans. Yeah, very.
But they don't have a ball.
He doesn't have
They don't have a
Pelicans in
point
his
guard.
top 8. He doesn't have Portland in his top 8.
Yeah. Pelicans at Portland I don't.
There is someone called Dame Lillard there.
मैं Portland को ही Clippers का यार replace किया था. That was my last change which I did. Why? Because Portland का यार they are too dependent यार. They are too dependent on one guy and for I think last 2 seasons even CJ McCollum has थोड़ा उसका भी हवा थोड़ा जा रहा है. So, in fact, I was hoping that they would make that switch with Ben Simmons going to Portland and CJ coming to 76ers. That was actually a win-win for both the organizations. I felt.
Could have been.
इनको भी एक shooter मिलेगा, उनको भी एक defender मिलेगा. But Portland, I don't know. I hope they do well because I really like Damian Lillard. But I don't think that they have a lot of hope. Again, I would.
From Western Conferences, I think Steph Curry is the MVP this year.
Oh, Steph Curry MVP. Yeah, quite possible.
बहुत ज़्यादा possible.
MVP season for him. He's gonna go berserk. He'll be loving Klay Thompson with him and on the court, and he'll just go mad this year, guys.
Yeah, that's quite
He's
possible.
again going to average 30 points.
And even if Kyrie plays all 82 games, I think Warriors are a bigger threat to the Lakers than the Nets.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Even if Kyrie plays all 82 games, all their big three work out together, I still think a team which has played together for a long time and whose strengths are matched, somehow I think.
Even I agree to that assessment because Kyrie के साथ, yeah, even if he's healthy and he plays 82 games, वो कुछ ना कुछ तो बीच में करेगा यार. He is वो करेगा कुछ ना कुछ. I can bet he will create some other distraction, disturbance, hindrance for the entire team, because basketball also like cricket is a game of momentum. अगर momentum में होते हो आप, so you can really push forward. But
East में क्या होगा? East के top 8.
East का top 8 एक सेकंड. हाँ, East का top 8 मैं बोलता हूँ.
उसने बताया तो खतरी तभी.
अरे तो अब change हो सकता है ना? Maybe there's a last minute change again.
No changes.
You don't trust Ashwij anymore.
East I'm betting on Charlotte Hornets to do some upsets.
Make the playoffs.
Yeah. But मैं बोल रहा हूँ play-in से अंदर जाएंगे. They won't directly qualify. They'll go into the play-in tournament.
At the end of the day, last year भी predictions यही था, Lakers आएगा, Nets आएगा, but injuries.
Yeah, injuries play very.
जितना injury that is.
Playing over 100 games in a span of 220 days with traveling, I think it's really really good.
Traveling and also abhi to like last season they had COVID also. So last season I think was the anomaly. Yeah. If you see across all the sports, even if you see Premier League, Champions League, football, basketball, the amount of injuries that occurred were slightly more because of the compressed seasons and the off season का भी gap थोड़ा कम था. So ये season I'm hoping कि injuries के वजह से थोड़ा कम effect हो season.
And so many people sat out due to quarantine.
Yeah, but I'm hoping this season will be much more interesting and less
like
injury.
all fans around the world, we hope players are fit. We hope we see NBA at its 100% and not have that injuries thing. Thank you so much, guys. I think we are running out of time. Great chat, really fun. Y'all have got me more excited about the league again now. 75th season of the NBA. Hopefully, it's going to be a banger.
Absolutely.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Great time, guys. Great time. Thanks.
Hello, see you guys.
See you guys.